hanya ini ya pathway society top bakal create target to my beloved friends and brother and sister, today I want to come and read for you the Bible, okay? And the month about this, we have to read for. I had to read for you right now. Matthew chapter 7, verse 23. Then I will tell the plainly, I never knew you. Away from me, your evildoer. Away from me. No? But then my high yarki, no? Pamata tato deal. But then my dinner. Pay or David delay, no? Lima the seron me as a pokis and David delay. Do not assume. No, do not assume yik utalo. No, when I yik jetting yama do not cover. Walla amata tato ha parayaki. No, let us look at a cropatu pathala tiger camero ha parayaki sitano. The paid of Bagalequa Bacala, Lisosi Taba tweeted honey. Metal soda we, Anokasara way, no, Davis himself and the feelings about the devil. David himself feeling about the devil. Okay, he muses. And then here's Psalm chapter 5, verse 5 talk about the arrogance cannot stand in your presence. You hate all who do wrong. The God hate all who do wrong. We understand about this. The God hate all who do wrong. No? Let us look at our painting. Kasa pagkita naman lisosi tapa flower at niya ini. Tasa doctor sero yes po yen itibra dile. No? Papa kapo atani. No, the set about well menyaba. No, natahi kaya pala ama. No, pay it no, ama the mathotalo, no, ama thotalo, no, ama thota. Let us look up a cropatu patha little kind. No, okay. I want to read for you the Psalm chapter 6, verse 8. Away from me, all you who do evils, from the Lord has heard my weeping. This is the David's, I think. Here is the David's, for the directors of music with strongest instruments according to Seminus Psalm of David. This is Psalm of David. Okay, after that, I want to read for you about a little bit here. Okay. Matthew chapter 25, verse verse 41. I want to go reading for you here a little bit. Matthew chapter 25, verse 41. Here, I go through and reading for you. 41. Then he will say to those on the left, depart from me, you who are cursed, into the eternal fires prepared for the devils and his angels. What do you think about this? Only just the thing Jesus talking about this. Jesus talk about why is that Jesus talking like this? Okay, talk about that. No, those on his left, those on his left. No, he said, "Depart from me," because what? No, Jesus talk about here said, "First I was hungry and you give me nothing to eat." When I'm hungry time, you don't give me nothing to eat. Okay. I was thirsty and you give me nothing to drink. Okay. Another thing is I was a stranger and you did not invite me in. I needed clothes and did not clothe me. I was sick and in prison, and you did not look after me. This is for all people has trouble, and then you should look at that. But sometimes you don't know, you don't know, right? Here's this those on his left side people talk about it. They also will answer, Lord, when did we see you hungry or thirsty? I don't think about the God thirsty and hungry, right? But God talk about the poor people. God talk about the sickness people in the world. Okay. The God talk about the preaching people here. Okay. All and strangers or needing clothes or sick or in prison and did not help you. He will reply, I tell you the truth, whatever you did not do for one of the last of these, you did not do for me. Okay, this means we don't do, okay, one of last of these. That means you did not do for me. Do you think we go to church? This is not possible. All right. Only just we see about a lot of people in the world right now, fighting, fires, and then get each other. This is a very big problem. But here, then they will go away to the internal punishment, but the restaurant to internal life. This means is the evil person, the arrogant person, should be go to the hell. Okay, we understand about this thing. All right. Here's I read for you the Quran language. Do not sue Yeseba Paolo Susid Pani Pala Basu Adu Ha Paroya Su Meu no Meu a tour yo pulo Akatekato Pani Muko Lido Kaludapa Awarki. No Penny Betivala over the Tatikwa over Adile. Agiri Tata with our to the hit or Bayaba, Tatu with our letiro to the do or Bayaba. Jimmy Potamiro to the Tulu Bayaba, your Ubu Bisido to do Kudu to Bayaba. Yesu Sado, your Ulo Hopudo to the Kubayaba. A winning. Do not show what they get to show us sick or tad or siwe. Kasa Tatawinata Megi, Tatunata Leti Megi, na me Podami Megi, no Obisi Megi, na Ba Subasa Megi, na Ola Hopu Megi, but Tibanado, Tamabana Kinapatan and me Pelequali. Okay. No better terra to sue, sister or dosi. Yesiba teba to Todoi, me thita maba poiler, a secretary, pot pie a glado. Me thita maba yabalo. Let them go out, poiler a secretary, me taller, tatiqua over peninsula. No. Pagalegale, Casunya Kakomano, Kane Pacapapati Palo, no. Hotarani, Yesibliki, Kasayua, no. Damubu, no pay Yeleki P. Matir Pabu. Do Buggenwa Uta, the blood corny, Takotake, the blood contamodaku, to me, Takalani, Baba Pada, Kasayua, a taratakle Kello, Mumigi Kumigi, you are a taratakle Kello. No? Basana get out the blood cord, Takotake, Basana give Baba to Patada, Patam Pune. But me, Paganyorgalo, Hako Kello. No? Whatever we had difficulty, okay. Think about it. We are the same thing, humans in the world. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother and sister. Okay, evil spirits come to you and talk about to you. yelling you, arrogant to you. This means they want to hate you. You can't tell them, depart from me, away from me. Okay? Thank you so much today, and then God bless you all. My friends, my brother, and my sister. We see you next time. Bye bye. Good night, everyone. God bless you.